Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video for you, we're going to be reorganizing and decluttering my master bathroom linen closet. And this is something I actually did last year. I took it from a total mess and clutter to organizing it with these Dollar Tree organization bins, and I do have another video for that. It will be down in the description box just in case you want to check it out. And this is also a collab with my friend Kylie Rainbow. She is another mama vlogger here on YouTube, and she does all kinds of videos. She vlogs her life, she does cleaning videos and all of that good stuff, so you should definitely go check her out after you watch my video. And we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So the first thing I like to do is kind of go through and take out everything out of my closet. I just want everything out of it so it's completely emptied, and I just go ahead and put it on the floor so I can kind of go through it a little bit easier. So as I notice that there are some like empty bottles and products I don't use anymore, I will go ahead and just like trash those right away just to kind of cut time and just get it out of the way, because I know I don't want those bottles anymore or those products anymore. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and spray in the closet. The wood in here is a little bit different. It's really like a rough painted job. So I just basically just sprayed my bathroom anti-bac cleaner, because that's what was up here, and just wiped it down. It wasn't really dirty. It did have some like makeup spots and a little bit of dust, but other than that, it was clean. So now we're going to go ahead and start the decluttering process. So first, I am definitely going to be looking for any empty boxes, or a lot of times when we get new products, we kind of keep the boxes for some reason. And I think for like electronics, that's a good idea, like expensive ones maybe, but I don't think for every product that you have, everything that you buy, you should keep the box. So we have a bad habit of that. So I'm going to go ahead and throw away those boxes. I'm going to look for any kind of trash and plastic wrap and packaging and throw those away. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to empty out some of my products from the packages. Like right here I have my razors, and I don't need to keep all my razors in the box, so I'll keep them in the organization bin. So this is where I start to notice products that I just haven't touched in like 6 months to a year. I don't use them, so I am going to just throw them out. So I ended up getting rid of a lot of makeup that I just really don't use. And then here I actually found my eyelashes from our wedding from last May. And I held on to those, I think for sentimental reasons, but honestly I'm never gonna wear them again. They're extremely huge and like glam look, and that's just not my everyday style. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss them and let go of them, and know that I have photos to remind me of that day. So these are our hair products. I don't use this little mini flat iron, so I'm definitely going to donate that. And then I noticed we have 2 hair dryers that there's just no reason for us to have 2 hair dryers. We barely use one, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate one of those. So now I'm just gonna clean out my organization bins, because they do need a little bit of cleaning, kind of like dusting out a little bit, and then that's it.
Fireflies, slipping bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you.
So I did notice there was quite a few makeup brushes that I honestly do not use them all, so I went ahead and threw some away, which I feel really good about. Now I'm just reorganizing my products back into the bins and getting things kind of put away and thrown away.
There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
So something else that I like to do when I am reorganizing my things is kind of give them a good wipe down. So that's where I am kind of cleaning my products, the cases that they're in and stuff like that, just from other like makeup residue and things like that. Here's where I check the expiration date on some of my face creams, like the medicated face creams that I have for acne. I went ahead and checked those out and realized that they were expired, so I don't need them anymore. And now I'm going to use this cute little container here to put some of my girly products in. I just thought it was perfect, and I can just get rid of this box and really utilize my space better.
We've got catching up to do.
So this is a basket that I fill samples in or mini products in for my guest, and that goes in the kids' bathroom. And then right now I'm just going to reorganize some of Ava's bath products. She does take a bath in our bathroom, so most of her bath stuff is in here, and then she does keep other products in her own bathroom with her brother. So that's what I'm going through right now. And then now I'm going to go ahead and go through my jewelry. Alright you guys, so I am all finished reorganizing and decluttering my linen closet here in our master bathroom. So first I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the things I'm getting rid of. This here is all like empty packages and boxes and even some products that were like expired or products that I don't use anymore. I went ahead and threw them away. Over here are also just empty boxes and trash and just basically a bunch of trash. So we have like 2 bags of trash. These things I'm going to donate, just this watch. We had like an extra blow dryer and this flat iron that I never use. These are going to go into the kids' bathroom. Actually, all of this is going in the trash. This is a lot of like old rusted jewelry. I wouldn't even donate it because it's only like one of something, or it's bent, or it's rusted. The kids' bathroom, because this is for our guests. We have guests kind of often. Our family will fly in. So these are just like sample or little mini bottles that they can use of body wash and shampoo and stuff. So I just leave that bit in there just in case like they weren't traveling with razors or something, so they have those things. So yeah, I just went ahead and you guys kind of seen what I did. I don't want to get into it too much and keep you guys, but you've seen that here's like our hair products, girly products, you know, nail polish basket, some random things, jewelry, some little sample things, some things that people sent me that I still want to use. And then I went ahead and I got rid of quite a few brushes, makeup brushes, and I'm really proud of that. I probably will go through this again when I have more time, when I'm actually doing my makeup, and realize like you're only using like the same few brushes. That's just me personally. So I need to go through there a second time, but I feel good because I got rid of quite a few brushes. My makeup, I usually keep my makeup in this bag lately because depending on how I feel or how hot it is in this bathroom, I will sometimes just take makeup over into into my bedroom and like sit on the floor in front of the mirror and do my makeup that way. So sometimes in here, sometimes in there. And then, yeah, just random things of ours. So, you know, hair products, beauty, Listerine. This is little Ava's corner down here, her little bath stuff and everything. That is it. I feel really good about it. You guys heard my tips, kind of some of the things that I am not going to do anymore, and some of the things that help me kind of keep a more organized linen closet, and definitely decluttering and reorganizing quarterly instead of just once a year. But really it's up to you. This just helps me where I have a lot less stuff to get rid of. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.